Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Only buy something that you'd be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. It's not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Our favorite holding period is forever. In the business world, the rear-view mirror is always clearer than the windshield. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. The best thing I did was to choose the right heroes. I try to buy stock in businesses that are so wonderful that an idiot can run them because sooner or later one will. I don't look to jump over 7-foot bars. I look around for 1-foot bars that I can step over. You don't need to be a rocket scientist. Investing is not a game where the guy with the 160 IQ beats the guy with 130 IQ. I never attempt to make money on the stock market. I buy on the assumption that they could close the market the next day and not reopen it for 5 years. In the world of business, the people who are most successful are those who are doing what they love. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. You only have to do a very few things right in your life so long as you don't do too many things wrong. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. The most important thing to do if you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging. You can't make a good deal with a bad person. Opportunities come in frequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. You do things when the opportunities come along. I've had periods in my life when I've had a bundle of ideas come along, and I've had long dry spells. If I get an idea next week, I'll do something. If not, I won't do a damn thing. If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. I don't believe in dynastic wealth. That's just not good for society. If you aren't thinking about owning a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Time is the friend of the wonderful business, the enemy of the mediocre. The only way to get love is to be lovable. It's very irritating if you have a lot of money. You'd like to think you could write a check. I'll buy $1 million worth of love, but it doesn't work that way. The more you give love away, the more you get. The business schools reward difficult, complex behavior more than simple behavior, but simple behavior is more effective. If you're not willing to react with equanimity to a market price decline of 50% 2 or 3 times a century, you're not fit to be a common shareholder, and you deserve the negative result you're going to get compared to somebody who does have the temperament, who can be more philosophical about these market fluctuations. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with friends and relatives on WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.